Alright, class, let me take you on a journey into the future of writing ebooks. Imagine you're an author, sitting down at your desk. You've got a brilliant idea for a book, but you're staring at a blank page. The clock is ticking, and you've got deadlines. Suddenly, your AI assistant, let's call it Writebot, springs into action. Writebot doesn't get tired, take breaks, or have writer's block. In minutes, it drafts your entire ebook, freeing you to focus on what you love most, refining and adding that personal touch. That's the first reason AI is incredible for writing ebooks. It saves you time and effort. What used to take weeks or months can now be done in hours. Now, think about the cost. You could hire a ghostwriter, but they might charge thousands of dollars. Or, you could spend countless hours writing yourself, but time is money, right? Writebot? It's a fraction of the cost. That's why AI is a budget-friendly solution for anyone looking to create and sell ebooks. Here's another cool thing, AI doesn't have bad days. Every time you use it, Writebot produces consistent, high-quality writing. If you need a professional tone, it's got it. If you need something more casual, it can do that too. This level of consistent quality is hard to match, even for seasoned writers. But what if you don't know what's trending in the market? AI does. It can analyze the best-selling books, figure out what people are reading, and create content tailored to your audience. That's using data-driven insights, and it's like having a secret weapon to craft stories or guides people want to buy. Oh, and it's versatile. Whether you're writing a mystery novel, a self-help guide, or even a cookbook, AI can adapt to any style or genre. It can even take on different tones, from professional to playful. This customizability lets you experiment with different niches or audiences without hiring a new writer each time. And let's not forget, AI helps you avoid embarrassing mistakes. It checks grammar, spelling, and even plagiarism, ensuring your ebook is polished and original. Imagine skipping that nerve-wracking editing phase because Writebot already handled it. That's the beauty of error reduction. Now, remember that blank page syndrome I mentioned earlier? AI doesn't have that problem. If you're stuck, it generates ideas, drafts chapters, or even suggests titles. This is how it helps you overcome writer's block and keeps the momentum going. Here's another amazing feature. Writebot speaks many languages. Want to sell your book in French, Spanish, or Mandarin? No problem. AI makes language adaptability easy, unlocking global markets without hiring expensive translators. And here's the cherry on top, AI lets you scale like never before. Imagine publishing not just one ebook but 10, 20, or even 100 in a year. Once Writebot is set up, it can churn out as much content as you need. That's the power of scalability. Finally, AI works hand in hand with tools like Scribble. With a few clicks, you can take that AI-generated content, format it into a beautiful ebook, and have it ready to publish. This kind of integration streamlines the entire process, so you can focus on selling your books instead of spending hours on design. So, class, the next time you think about writing an ebook, remember this story of Writebot. It's not about replacing creativity, it's about amplifying it. AI gives you the tools to create faster, smarter, and better. And who knows? Maybe one of you will become a best-selling author, thanks to these incredible tools. The future of ebook writing is here, and it's yours for the taking. What's more, Empirely 2.0 doesn't just help you create, it helps you connect. With AI analyzing market trends and reader preferences, you're not just guessing what people want. You're creating books that hit the mark every time. This is data-driven precision that takes your ebooks from good to great. Finally, integration is key. Empirely 2.0 seamlessly works with platforms like Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, and your favorite email marketing tools. You don't need to jump between apps or learn complicated software. It's all in one place, and it's all designed to make your life easier.